Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. I was hoping to have this video uploaded well before Christmas. As it turns out, it kind of went past that date. So I hope you had a good Christmas and all the best for the new year. And I do hope to have this done before New Year. So I've lost the plot a wee bit. It's taken several weeks to do this video, but I hope you enjoy it. It's the start to finish of the pond and broken into 3 parts. So enjoy. Hi guys, welcome to Quock's Choy or Quock's Allotment. Not been on for a while. I've been doing other things like Monroe walking. Due to the pandemic, I was getting a wee bit bored or frustrated, or you know, lack of things to do. Not lack of things to do in the allotment, but I had to venture out and do other things. So if you're into kind of hill climbing, into hill walking, then can I suggest that you have a look at just a wee Jant, the wee link just flashing in front of you here. So it's now winter time, fortunately, and I'm just kind of planning for next year. Everyone is right into a bit of kind of nature, so this is my wee bit of doing a bit of nature now. I am building a pond, a wee nature pond, just about 1 metre wide and like maybe 30 centimetre deep or something like that. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get on with it. Well, you can see it's a rectangular kind of pond. It's all dug out nicely. If I need to just take this bit out, just make it curved. Just put that aside. That'll do. Excuse the smoke and just burning some bits and bobs. So I've left a wee ledge here, and if you saw me earlier on, I've basically levelled it from there to there, there to there. I've levelled it out just so it causes a kind of a wee kind of beach bit, which I'm going to put some pebbles down for the birds to have a bath in. So this is it. Just tidy up the edges. That's it. So I'm not planning to put any sand down. I'm going to obviously watch for any sharp stones. How we can look around like this, which I'll remove. I lost my other glove. It's blown somewhere. Oh, it's over there. Right, I'm back. See me? Hello. Right, I am just going to, I've got a 3x2 metre pond liner here. Put it over there. So I'll just remove some of these wee branches. Wee stones, don't want any of that. So that's basically it. There's a bit of stone there. Just give it a wee look. So the pond liner will go about here, just about 30 centimetres in, and I'll pack that on top with some soil. Now when you build a pond, don't get it exact. You always aim for slightly bigger, obviously to account for the depth of your pond when it goes up the ledges. So I know this is a 3x2 pond liner. It's not heavy duty, it'll last about 10 years or slightly more. It is only £8, you know, so. So I'm going to put this in the middle of it all. About there. Yeah, perfecto. So what I'm going to do now, I'll put some bricks up here. I've got some water that's gathered from the polytunnel, which is empty the bucket, so I'm just going to fill it up. Meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some stones down, just to hold the liner down while I'm filling it up. Just in these points here, like so. Dunk it down a bit. That's it. So as it fills up, I'm just going to keep on moving the pond liner so it fills out all the wee little gaps. Like so. Well, it's enough for now. I'm just going to now show up the liner and hide some of it underneath the soil. Now you may be asking why I just fill tap water. Two reasons. A, I've got abundance there in my container which I won't be using during the winter, and it will fill back up during the winter. This is Scotland after all. And secondly, because it's rainwater, it's also neutralised, so any insects, any bugs that use it, there's no chlorine and there's not a problem with that at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the soil on top of the liner. As you saw me earlier doing, I kind of loosened the liner with the bricks movement to allow the water to fill in the gaps. stops any kind of bubbles in the hole. Okay, let's go back on. Right, the pipe here, I'm keeping this pipe here as a natural kind of habitat for any frogs and wee critters, basically. So what I'll do is move some of that back, and then what I'll do is I'll put some of the soil next to that so it buries it a wee bit. I'm going to cut some of the excess plastic off here. Right, to the other side. Just going to compact that in there a bit more. Just trying to find where my wee hill is here. So it's about there I'm doing it. Just cut it wrong there. Where's my scissors? There it is over there. Right. It's only a rough cut, just to get an idea of where I'm going to plant all my soil. Where the embankment is, which is about there and there. So what I want is the soil to go about here. I might just dig a bit under, because a bit too much of a gradient. Like so. Back up again. So bit of wood. just going to build around the mound out, just to create a nice wee hill for my plants to go in. So that's it, basically. So yep, I'll fill some more water. Shingles will go around there. It should raise by another few inches up. The rain will fill it up naturally. I know I've got some soil in there, but that's just the way it goes. There's nothing else that adds more good stuff into the thing. It will go green initially during summer, but then hopefully it will balance itself out. I'll tidy around the area. What I do have is a couple of plants to go around the thing to cut some ground cover. This is called Blue Star Creeper. Yeah, and the other one is called Golden Stonecrop. See that? Golden Stonecrop. Which I'll put in one there and one over there. I'm going to leave that bit because it's already got those irises over there, so I'll keep that over there. And it's got a lavender in the corner, so I'll probably put some kind of creeping plants at the side there. Hopefully not too fast growing. I don't know what yet, but I'll check it out later. So I'm just going to tidy up now and make it all flat.